Elon Musk has just revealed the Tesla Model Pi, the most advanced mobile phone on the planet. That's right, the tech giant has tapped into the electronics industry to give us the smartest phone ever, which has some of the most astounding features you've never seen before. We hope you're excited to hear all about it because we definitely are. Hey there everyone, this is Elon Musk Live, and today we're here to share with you all the amazing features of Tesla's Model Pi. From its massive storage capacity to its sustainable feature that you will surely adore, and even its price when it hits the market. All that and more will be revealed right here, so make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. But first, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all the latest news about Elon Musk, SpaceX, and Tesla. The Model Pi is one of the latest projects that will come out from Tesla, the company currently at the top of the automotive industry. But no, Model Pi is not an electric car, nor is it an electric VTOL vehicle that Tesla is said to be working on. The Model Pi is actually a smartphone. That's right, Tesla and its CEO, the multi-billionaire tech giant Elon Musk, are developing a smartphone intended to revolutionize the world of telephony. If the rumors are to be believed, this smartphone may become the latest state-of-the-art technology with some very impressive too-good-to-be-true features that the whole world has not yet seen nor experienced. Elon Musk is a visionary who has already created many inventions in many different fields, such as space rocketry and the auto industry, and his products have always been high quality and innovative while emphasizing sustainability. This latest smartphone from Tesla is yet another of these beautiful products. Tesla has been working on the Model Pi for several years, and though it's an entirely new venture for the automaker, everyone has great expectations for this smartphone, anticipating that it will be an innovator in the world of telephony. With the EV revolution just around the corner, it's very important to have a gadget that has high compatibility with electric vehicles so users can better operate their electric car with just a tap of a button. That gadget can be none other than the Model Pi, which will be equipped with cutting-edge technology to match Tesla's advanced automobiles. The Model Pi is specifically designed to better integrate with Tesla's EV system so the user can have better control over the car's overall performance. This could mean being able to drive hands-free. The user would only have to input their location into maps, and the Model Pi's GPS would then guide the car doing the rest of the work. How amazing is that? Additionally, the Model Pi will let users perform various vehicular functions such as locking, unlocking, and controlling temperature, media, and various other features through the phone, allowing transportation to progress to the next level. Tesla's Model Pi looks very similar to Apple's iPhone 12, according to leaked photos. However, that's where the resemblance ends, because the Pi phone outperforms its Apple competitor. If you're a fan of fast and reliable internet, who isn't, then the Pi phone is for you. This smartphone from Tesla is expected to come with built-in Wi-Fi technology that can access Starlink, Elon Musk's very own broadband internet system that uses low-orbit satellites to provide quick and flawless connection. With such connectivity, the Pi phone is expected to have high-speed, low-latency internet access that can reach up to 210 megabytes per second. This speed is currently unavailable even in the most expensive phones. The much appreciated and eagerly anticipated Google Starlink collaboration will also play a key role in offering a fantastic internet experience to the consumers. SpaceX will install ground stations at Google data centers that connect to Starlink satellites to allow users instant access to the cloud. If you think that this speed is already insane for a smartphone launching in 2022, then you have to stay tuned because we have more amazing features to reveal. Neuralink is a neurotechnology company co-founded by Elon Musk in 2016. The company's goal is to build a brain-computer interface that allows people to transmit and receive information between their brain and a computer wirelessly. This is a great help especially to people with disabilities and to those who have physical trauma from accidents. For example, a person with paralysis can have a Neuralink device implanted in their brain, and they can directly use their neural activity to operate computers and mobile devices with speed and ease. This is one of Elon Musk's most groundbreaking discoveries, and now it's being integrated with the Model Pi, making this the most advanced smartphone ever created. In addition, the Pi phone will also allow cryptocurrency mining. Musk previously stated in an interview that he wants his first smartphone to be able to mine Mars coins, which of course means that the Pi phone has the potential to work on the Red Planet, though we're not sure at what capacity. Will the phone be able to make interplanetary calls? Maybe, but it will surely be able to provide its users with excellent crypto mining resources. Musk himself has also designed a one-of-a-kind cutting-edge microprocessor, and he wants it to power the Model Pi, the most powerful smartphone to date. At the moment, the Snapdragon 800 425 is said to be the most advanced Android processor, while Apple's A15 Bionic is claimed to have the highest graphics performance in any smartphone ever. Still, these two powerful processors are actually incomparable to the one designed by Musk. After all, Musk only makes things that are advanced and far above the quality of that of his competitors, so we have to expect that his processor will do better than anything else on the market right now. Like every product from Elon Musk, Tesla's Pi phone is also one that is sustainable. The Model Pi will have several built-in small solar panels, making it capable of solar charging. That means users will only have to stay out in the sun to charge their phones. At night, you won't have to worry. There's speculation that the Pi phone will be equipped with a battery similar to Powerwall, which Tesla is also selling. Powerwall is a home battery backup system which allows users to store solar energy for emergency situations, such as during an overnight power outage. This powerful solar charging capacity, combined with this battery, will allow Pi phone users to save millions of units of electrical energy, making this the most anticipated feature that consumers are looking forward to. Additional specs of this Pi phone, which are equally amazing, include an angular design and a 6.9-inch flat screen with 4K resolution and a refresh rate that goes up to 240 Hz. It uses 5G network technology, and it has a back quad camera with 108 megapixels plus 50 megapixels plus 50 megapixels plus 5 megapixels wide lens and the capacity to zoom up to 200 times. For storage, Pi phones also exceed that of any current smartphones on the market. This amazing device is said to feature 2 terabytes of flash storage and unlimited cloud storage. With such spectacular features, you'd think that this phone would cost an arm and a leg, wouldn't you? But it's actually very cheap, cheaper than Apple's latest model, which cost $1,399. If rumors are true, the Model Pi will have a price range of $800 to $1,200, making it the first satellite smartphone available to the general population. There's also Iridium and Thoria available, of course, but these two satellite phones are only accessible to multinational corporations or millionaires. Elon Musk has conquered many markets. His vision and hard work that he puts into every one of his inventions ensures that whatever he builds becomes a catalyst for revolution. He did it with his fully reusable space rockets, with his Tesla Roadster, with Starlink, and many more. And now he'll do it again with his latest state-of-the-art satellite smartphone. Tesla's Model Pi is set to revolutionize the electronics and telephony industry, while Tesla will advance to becoming the champion in the electronics world, rising above well-known firms such as Samsung and Apple. Even without an official announcement, the Tesla Model Pi has already blown our minds, and people are already anticipating its debut. Tesla has built an enthusiastic following for Model Pi, demonstrating the public's faith in Elon Musk and Tesla. Tell us in the comments below if you're looking forward to Tesla's Pi phone launch and how impressive you think its features will be. We'd love to hear from you. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.